Hi there, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and I've got a really important announcement that I want to share with everybody. Starting this Thursday at 5 Mountain Standard Time, I'm going to be doing a live chat. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and it's an opportunity for subscribers to ask questions from me, any questions they want. And I need to do this because I've been getting so many questions on so many posts that I spend a lot of time typing these questions when I can just talk with people in a live chat and cover a lot of ground that way. So this Thursday and every Thursday, except for maybe a Thanksgiving holiday or some other holiday like that, I will be doing a live chat. So it's Mountain Standard Time, 5 o'clock. Make sure you chime in, and which is 4 o'clock Pacific. And it's also 6, 7 Eastern, Central, etc. So get there early. I will go for about an hour. It could be an hour or two. If we need to go 2 or 3 hours, I have no problem with that. So make sure you have your questions all written down, type them in, and I will respond to your questions. Any questions you have, I can direct you in the best way I possibly can. So I'm looking forward to it. Every Thursday, live chat here. Make sure you're there, and we can have a one-on-one, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see how this turns out, and I'll see you guys there.